Today this could be the greatest day of our lives. Before it all ends, before we run out of time, stay close to me, stay close to me. Watch the world come alive tonight. Stay close to me. Tonight this could be the greatest night of our lives. Let's make a new start. The future is ours to find. Can you see it? Can you see it in my eyes? Can you feel it now? Can you hold it in your arms
Saya, Stefanus Yuda, memiliki bahwa menganugerah ini aku prihatin menjadi istri saya.
Saya menganugerahkan Dwi Anggraw Stefanus Yuda menjadi suami saya.
Like an anchor, you were the tide that kept me in. But even a wave will crash and end. Like a sunset, so much beauty held within. But light goes out and darkness wins. We saw the future, or what we thought that it would be. But even dreams are mystery. We climbed the mountain and found the truth on which we stand. I saw you slip right through my hands. I carried you till I buried you, held your arms around my back, struck the ground with every step. I carried you till I buried you. Now memories all I have as our story fades to black. I carried you.
Saya berjanji setia kepadamu
Dalam dan malam,
di waktu sehat maupun sakit.
saya menghormati kau dengan senyum sepanjang hidup saya.